So you have a legal question that you want to talk to an attorney about, but you don't have the resources right now to pay an attorney a large upfront retainer. LegalShield might be the solution you're looking for. In this video, we're going to go over a question that just came in that goes over that exact topic and why LegalShield may be appropriate in your situation. If you're finding this video on the internet, it's probably because you just randomly searched for something to do with talking to a lawyer. If you're finding this video because you're on our team, this video should really help when you're talking to prospective customers about what LegalShield does when it comes to consultation services. I have a little bit of language down here below that's directly from the LegalShield contract. We're going to go over that. We're going to just talk about how this works in reality. So basically, when somebody has a legal question they need to talk to an attorney about, if you go and hire an attorney in the traditional way, more than likely, unless it involves a personal injury, auto accident, slip and fall, something like that, you're going to have a hard time finding an attorney that is willing to give free consultation just on any random legal question you have. So for most people, they just go throughout their life not being able to talk to attorneys about legal questions that come up because it's so expensive. It costs $1,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 up front as a retainer in order to talk to an attorney. That's just to hear their voice. You don't even get to hear their voice before putting down a bunch of money. You don't even know if you want to hire them for anything. You just want to talk, just ask the questions, see what can be done. Well, when you have LegalShield, your $30 a month membership gets you unlimited consultation on new personal legal matters that come up. The language below goes over exactly what that means. So a covered person may receive toll-free phone calls for an unlimited number of personal legal matters, an unlimited number of personal legal matters. That means every single legal matter you ever face, every personal legal matter that you face, every new personal legal matter you face, you can talk to an attorney. Consultations are available to the extent the provider law firm deems it necessary to adequately advise the covered person on the personal legal matter. So it means it's not limited in duration. If they need to speak with you a little bit longer to advise you on it, then some calls are going to do that. They're going to go over things with you as long as they deem necessary to adequately advise you on that personal legal matter you're calling about. And moreover, the provider law firm may provide up to 1 hour of legal research concerning the matter. So that means if you call and you have a very unique question, they need to do some research, you don't have to pay them to do that first hour of research on stuff. They can look up laws, look up statutes, look up case precedent, review documents to help out with the consultation, and you don't have to pay extra for that. Now, typically attorneys charge $300, $400, $500 an hour on personal legal matters, but with LegalShield, you don't have to pay for that time. You might spend an hour talking to the attorney and an hour of them doing research. That's something that might ordinarily cost you anywhere from $600 to $1,000. And it would come out of that upfront retainer you normally pay the attorney. But with LegalShield, you literally could do that every single day. You could have a new personal legal matter come up every single day and talk to the attorney and never get a single bill. It's just your one $30 a month payment for your membership that keeps that going for you. So tremendously valuable service. And what I'm going to tell you next is what's also really surprising to a lot of people. This service applies even to pre-existing conditions. So if you buy a LegalShield plan today because you had a legal issue come up yesterday or the day before or even today or 6 months ago, but you want to get advice on it, you still can. You can still get that free consultation. You can still make that phone call, talk to the attorney, get the advice that you're needing, go over the situation at hand, even though it happened in the past. So don't let the fact that you didn't have LegalShield in the past stop you from getting legal advice. There's a solution out there to get you the legal advice, to go over your situation, to take some of that weight off your shoulders. And it's available to you now. There's no reason to hesitate. But just get set up with a plan, get started talking to your attorney right away. Typically those attorneys are going to call you back the same business day too. So if you're watching this in the morning, you could have the advice you're needing before the close of business today. Hope that this video helps. If you're looking to purchase a LegalShield plan, if you need some more information on it, feel free to email me. My email address is on our YouTube channel's homepage. We also have a couple of websites there where you can find more information on our products and services. And if you're on the team, you have any questions on this video, don't hesitate to send me a Slack. Feel free to comment on it. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done that already. Make sure to ding the little bell so you get notifications when new videos come out. And if you found any value in this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.